Let's do this.
Determined.
Conservative.
แรงใจ
Ambitious, Michael.
Nice guy.
No fun Chin Han.
Very reliable.
Rational.
Then busy.
Leader.
Understanding.
Professional. Responsible.
Strict.
Funny.
Fortnite buddy.
Very kind, very caring. Sulins.
Fun.
Responsible, hardworking.
Nice guy.
When there's Sulin, there's Tunho.
Oh, he's the best guy. He's the best guy in MSSNI.
Man United brother, let's go! Glory, glory, Man United!
Artistic. Friendly.
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 Low-key K-pop.
Talented and very helpful.
Nice girl.
Fun.
Sociable, enthusiastic, and hardworking.
Considerate.
Honest buddy. Talented.
Aisha, amazing.
Very talkative and friendly.
การเก๋ๆมาอีเลยอีเลย
Cute.
Hardworking. Yeah, hardworking.
3-pound dress. Hyperactive.
Very energetic and very loud. Tunho.
Sex.
Full of energy, would take the extra effort also.
Nice girl.
Sulin is hyperactive.
Proactive. Sociable.
She is relentless.
Hyper. Responsible.
Very flirty.
Responsible.
แรงใจ number 2.
Always thirsty. Responsible.
Responsible.
Slides into girls' DM.
Responsible.
Desperate person.
Chiho is amazing. Flirty.
Very smart.
Horny.
You are a hoe. Accommodating.
My homie.
My Scottish refugee. Very reliable. Nice.
Very smart.
Responsible, reliable.
Nice guy. Very easygoing.
He's very quiet. To me.
Efficient.
Very efficient.
Smart.
Easygoing.
Welcoming.
No money, no talk.
I take attendance for him in class.
Very resourceful. Japanese.
He's my boss.
Good at counting.
Nice guy. Very, very friendly and charming.
He's funny. Good boyfriend.
Liverpool loser, you will never win anything!
Annoying.
Shall we say so high up? So high up.
Funny.
Missing.
Diligent. Pretty.
Talkative.
Can be quite savage.
Nice girl.
Damn, Donald. Someone shut her up, please.
She's supportive. Very funny. Little shit.
Very damn funny, yeah.
Sampat.
Cute.
Cute.
Kind and always kena bully.
Best.
Very cheerful and helpful.
Amazing.
Kawaii.
Cute and will make the extra effort.
Nice girl.
Devil.
She's very lovely. Perfect. Perfect.
Very cute and charming.
Too good to say anything.
Friendly.
Nice.
Hardworking.
Baker.
Very practical and helpful as well.
Nice guy.
Quiet.
Responsible, nice to talk to.
Helpful.
Hardworking.
Kind. Kena bully by me. Oh, patient. Patient.
Super efficient also.
想哭就要笑
Leng Zai.
Responsible.
Car.
Responsible and resourceful. Responsible.
Leng Zai.
Will make the extra effort for the
Nice guy. Amazing boyfriend.
Zaya is hardworking. Meticulous.
best driver in the world, man.
Nice car. Experience.
Hyperactive.
Someone don't need such shampoo to improve. Very talented, funny. Funny.
Leng Zai.
He will do what will benefit the society.
Nice guy. Very calm. He has his own idea.
Dancer. Helpful.
Very crazy and a good dancer also.
No money for shampoo. Easygoing.
Responsible.
Mr. Worldwide.
IT guy. Very energetic and very passionate. Nice. Crazy.
Responsible, calm.
Nice guy. Calm.
Kyle is great.
Doctor always chacha.
Quiet.
Marshmallow.
Responsible.
Diligent.
Beast.
Mountain climbing.
Strong.
Talented.
Fun.
Artistic. Nice guy.
Creative.
Sports guy.
Creative.
Creative.
Ultraman white.
Kind.
Warmer.
Enthusiastic.
Instagram.
Very helpful. Diligent. Timid.
She's pretty.
Artistic. Good at taking pictures. Nice girl.
Big eater. Lucky girlfriend.
Likes take a lot of Instagram pictures.
Samuels.
Pretty.
On Mamak Night itself, it was so heartwarming for me to see like not just the committee, but also the QMC people and also the MSSNI Committee, plus a few other volunteers who have come to help us out. This year, the Mamak Night was such a success. I have to give my hats off to everyone who came to help. It wouldn't have been a success without all of you.
I think it's during Mamak Night because we're not only working with the committees, MSSNI committees, but with the MNIC committee as well. So I think I had so much fun during that night.
I cherish all of our memories we had together, all the events that we organized together, from Mamak Night, QB Transient Dinner with the Vices, and Malaysian Night.
Organized lots of events and created beautiful memories. The dinner right after our last meeting, one of the very few moments where we can chit chat and have dinner together.
The fun and able to accommodate Malaysian students here.
You know, it will take 7 hours to say, oh, my best memory with MSSNI.
Mamak night. Like the pre-night before Mamak night was amazing. Like everyone gathered together and like did like prepare food together and everything. And like it was a moment where I could connect with everyone in MSSNI committee.
Mamak Night, because that is actually the first time that I actually started working with the committee, and then I have a lot of fun preparing food, serving everyone, being around with everyone, and just having fun and like doing projects together.
I guess everything, because we do things together and it's fun.
All the meetings in general. Not because we can discuss everything in a very professional and efficient manner. It's that we can also talk a lot of
Teamwork is important, so make sure you connect with each other so that you have a very efficient committee members.
You need to be very committed and be a team player basically, and make friends.
To continue to advance Malaysian interests in Belfast.
Thanks a lot. Make friends, not war.
to be fearless and to be willing to take risks, to spend more on events, because at the end of the day we all share the same goal, which is to make MSSNI bigger and better, and we can't do that without being fearless and taking risks.
More work, less talk.
To do what you believe is right, not just what other people tell you. To be united, have good communication.
Don't
Gift of happiness.
I offer my service to advise any of you if you're in doubt.
Unity among the community. As a society, we must have this principle of uniting all Malaysians in one society. They can create miracles for the society and take this society to the next level of success.
Great teamwork.
Teamwork, definitely.
Commitment.
To have a passionate heart to work for the society and act in the welfare of Malaysian students and ensure them are well taken care of.
To have all the costs be cheaper, because you guys are gonna need that after Brexit.
And communication.
keep doing. Don't stop. Sorry.
Don't stop believing.
Okay. Don't stop believing and don't stop believing and don't ever give up. All the best.
My existence, pray me.
谁要你？
To make the most out of their time in Belfast.
I wish MSSNI can be a larger community and able to seek out to all the Malaysian students here, communicate with other Malaysian societies in the UK.
Stay as a close-knit family. Keep doing what you guys love. cherish these moments in university.
Hope that one day MSSNI is able to bring all members together and have a very great event together.
Continue being such an amazing home away from home for all the Belfast students studying here. Wish that it continues to grow and become a better community, and also to have a future committee which is as good as ours.
I hope the future MSSNI would expand and flourish to be a better society. All the best!
Love you guys!
We become even bigger, better, and improve the qualities of the activities because activities director. And win the Domino's SU Awards. Yes, I'm salty about that.
All the best in the future.
All the best. I hope we can take MSSNI to a greater level. I'll just be keeping a lookout for your progress.
Zafia.
Don't think so, because my academic result is very bad.
Surprisingly, probably not, because I need to focus on other things. On a slightly separate note, subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/SUELYNCHEANG. Link over here. I would not run again for next year. I'm giving an opportunity for someone new to come in and feel fun I had in MSSNI.
No time.
No, I think because it's a good time for new talented people to join.
Cut! That's a wrap!
Chinhan.
Okay, yeah, I think I would need more time actually.
Would you run again? Why?
No, because there is no money.
You.
Firstly, we managed to witness what Solin is good at, which is blowing.
Bye.
I'll figure it out. 可以 edit